Hi guys, my name is SONY. So welcome to my YouTube channel Technical Malabo, and today I will give you the overview of the iPhone 7 Plus. So guys, let's get started. But before I get start my video, if you not subscribe my channel till now, please go subscribe it now and then like, share and comment on the other videos.
This is iPhone 7. It makes all the things you do with your iPhone better, faster, and more powerful. Two new finishes, black and jet black, highlight its seamless design. A new camera captures shots you never could before. That's because its larger f1.8 aperture, new sensor, and 6-element lens enable brighter, more detailed photos and videos. And optical image stabilization allows for a longer exposure, so you get even better images in low light. The Apple-designed image signal processor analyzes every shot to automatically deliver the very best results. And the quad LED True Tone flash illuminates brighter and farther. iPhone 7 Plus also features a telephoto camera. The two cameras operate as one, giving you 2 times optical zoom and high-quality imagery when you zoom even farther. The new Retina HD display with a cinema standard wide color gamut is the best and brightest ever on an iPhone. It's also the first iPhone with a stereo speaker system, delivering a powerful, immersive audio experience. The enclosure has been entirely re-engineered to make this the first water-resistant iPhone. It's driven by the A10 Fusion chip, the most powerful chip ever in a smartphone. High performance and high efficiency cores let you do the majority of your tasks at a fraction of the power, giving you the longest battery life of any iPhone. iPhone 7 makes the things you do most even better. It's the best iPhone we've ever made.
So hi guys, there's the iPhone 7 Plus in my hand. So first of all, I will give you the overview of the iPhone 7 Plus. On the top you have nothing, on the right side you have the lock key, on the bottom you have in the left side there's a speaker position, and there's the data syncing and data charging port, and obviously this is not include the 3.5mm headphone jack, and that's why this is also used for 3.5mm headphone jack to type C connector, and this is not a speaker. Okay, and the left side you have the volume up and down key, and this is for vibrate. Okay, so on the rear side you have the 12 plus 12 MP rear camera with f1.8 and f2.4 aperture, and there's the mic over here, and the quad dual tone LED flash, and this is the Apple logo, and there's iPhone. Okay, so on the front you have the mic over here, and there's some sensors and 7 MP front camera. Okay, and this is the 5.5 inches. I hope this is the IPS screen. Okay, so let's get straight into the overview. Okay, so I in the terms of the Apple, so it came in the market in 2016 September. Okay, so this is the 5.5 inches IPS 67 certified. That means it's dust and water resistant up to 30 meters into the water, and this screen is LED backlight, IPS LCD capacitive display, and 16 mm colors it can take up to, and this is 5.5 inches 16.7% part body ratio. And the next thing is this is the full HD screen, and that's why the PPI density in here, this is the 401 PPI density. And the next is the this is the ion strength. I don't know what is it. This is the ion strengthened glass oleophobic coating with white color gamut display and 3D touch display and home button. Okay, I don't know what is the features about this. Okay, so if you know, please comment down below. And the iOS in here is the 10.0.0 and the upgradable to iOS 11.2. And this is the Apple 10 A10 Fusion chipset, and the processor in here, this is the quad core 2.34 gigahertz processor. Okay, so the GPU is pretty much awesome because the GPU is powered via series 7XT plus. Okay, so yes, and there's the main things about this phone is the camera. The camera is pretty good. There's the 12MP plus 12MP f1.8 and f2.4 aperture camera, and it can takes up to 4K video recording. And front facing camera is 7MP and 720p 40 fps. That's mean it cannot takes the full HD video recording. Okay, so I hope this is the one cons about this iPhone 7 Plus. Okay, so in the battery, there's included in the Leon 2900 mAh battery, and there's the fingerprint on the rear side in here, and there's some sensors like the accelerometer, geometry, proximity, compass, barometer, etc. Okay, but there's the one thing I noticed that this is include with NFC, but it only use only for Apple Pay only. So that's it, the quick overview of the iPhone 7 Plus. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.
We have created a product that is the most deliberate evolution of our original founding design. An aluminium body and formed sheet of glass describe a singular shape, one made with very few, very precisely engineered parts. Our obsession remains to continuously simplify and improve. From sculpting the camera housing directly out of the aluminium body to embedding the antenna within the enclosure, essentially making it disappear. Each refinement serves to bring absolute unity and efficiency to the design. To define one truly uninterrupted form, we've developed a whole new process to achieve our high-gloss black finish. This begins with rotational 3D polishing. A specialized compound flows over the intricate geometries of the housing, removing imperfections, establishing a seamlessness between materials, and producing a pristine, mirror-like surface. The enclosure then goes through an anodization process which creates a protective oxide layer. A single component die is absorbed through a capillary effect to ensure maximum saturation, while actually becoming part of the surface itself. Finally, a magnetized ultrafine iron particle bath is used to polish the anodized layer to a superior high shine. When complete, iPhone 7 is the most singular, the most evolved representation of this design.